Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Happy Thursday. How's everyone doing today? Alright. Guys, let's get into some charts. The market's looking good. Hey. Happy Thursday, everyone. I don't know if you guys can hear me that well. I'm going to be a little bit quieter today. We're calm. We're chill. It's like a chill vibe. It's a chill crypto vibe. Let me know if it gets a little too sexy. Digi said, what up? What's going on, Digi? Vahid said, yo. Digi said, gains. Market is rising. Hold your pants. Hope you wore the white ones, because this next coming day is going to make you explode. Did somebody say, come fountain? Bitcoin's currently trading at 100,069. Nice. How very appropriate. Bitcoin dominance still rejecting. Looking like it tried to retest 5768. It's going to reject, of course. Beautiful. Bitcoin, let's actually see what it closed on the daily. Daily closed a, what is that? That's like a bullish hammer candle, isn't it? Don't forget to congratulate Jalome for winning the daily close contest yesterday, I think. Unfortunately, we made it a little too late today. But that big wick to the downside on that candle, that is super duper bullish. That means that they tried to send it down and it got bought up really quick. The same thing happened right here, and look what happened right after that. Big fat spike to the upside. Same thing could be coming today, right now, which almost lines up perfectly with my little hand-drawn fractal. So the flag boom is still in play. Let's see. Actually, let's update our liquidation heat map. It's been a minute. Ooh, it's getting spicy again. Look at all that leverage. This is exciting. Okay, we got 99,355. And then we got big spicy one at 98,880. And then we got one more spicy one down below at 98,721. Nice. Okay, then above we got 100,702. And then we got 100,861. And then we got one more. I'm going to put one more. I'm going to put the top up there. 101,336. Okay. So it's getting spicy. It's getting spicy, guys. I also kind of see an inverse head and shoulders potential right here. I don't know. I don't even know, actually. What would our target be for that? Target would be... Actually, I think it would have to break out right here. 112? Dude, that would be crazy. All right, let's get back down to our 4 hour. There we go. That looks better. Gosh, that's a pretty chart. Ain't it pretty? All right, guys, let's go through our charts. ETH, currently trading at 33.22. Sol actually pumped right back into its trend line. Beautiful. Little fake out to the downside. Fake out. I like it. I like it a lot. I really do. Total 3. Oh my gosh. Look at total 3. 1.06 trillion. Probably looking for a test of 1.1. Little retrace and then bust through that. Bust through 1.13 and then alt season officially, in my opinion. Others dominance, 10.45%. Also got a little bit pumpy. ADA got very, very pumpy from the local bottom. ADA's up 23%, looking good. SNEC up 1.61%, very nice. Did you guys DCA into SNEC? January 29th, the Chinese New Year, the year of the snake. XRP, still flying, actually touched its all-time high. XRP has officially touched its all-time high. Wow. And that candle off of it's only 3.12%. What is happening? This is crazy. So our first target has been hit. That's awesome. Congratulations to the XRP army. You guys deserve it. H bar up 6% actually since the daily close. Since the local bottom, H bar is up 47%. Did you guys buy when I said to buy? I told you H bar is curing cancer. SUI? SUI still looking for that revenge pump. It is in its little accumulation range though, so it's looking good. C. Got a little rejection off of 41.18. See if we can get back above that. Polkadot up 1.34% currently from the local bottom. Polkadot is up 19%, looking good. CAS, finally, I mentioned it yesterday, got that revenge pump. CAS from the local bottom up 36%, looking good. Avalanche also got a very good pump from the local bottom, up 21%, currently sitting above that 39.40 resistance area. Chainlink also got a revenge pump from the local bottom, up 29%. Guys, these were no-brainer buys in my opinion. Doge, the MW pattern played out beautifully, currently up 19% from the local bottom. Lunk kind of looks like crap, but still up 11% from the local bottom. Polygon Matic Pole also looks like crap, but still up 15% from the local bottom. Near also kind of looks like crap, but it is up 16% from the local bottom. Chili's looks like near, up 15% from the local bottom. Sitting above its 0.0847 resistance. MicroStrategy looking good, looking like it wants to fulfill the fractal Farquads. Hand-drawn fractal. It's looking good. DXY getting a little bit dumpy still. Silver getting a little bit pumpy still. NASDAQ, little retrace, and S&P, little retrace. I'm wondering if this is going to chop until the inauguration. Bitcoin dominance still rejecting, and Bitcoin chilling. Let me check the chat. Oh my gosh, you guys said so many things. Billy said, wow, it's 6:30 already? Digi said, haha. Philly submitted his guess for the daily close contest. Digi said, I'm thinking about taking a long on Bitcoin, which is 3.6x. I bought 5,000 XRP at 25x and got stopped out within an hour. That's what Philly said. Digi said, XRP been volatile as hell. Philly said, I don't know what I did. That's why I was buying resistance. Tyler said, you home now? No, I'm leaving on Sunday. So Sunday night I should be home. I don't know if I'm going to stream. We'll see. That might be my first missed stream on Sunday. Billy said, which was previous all-time high. Digi said, has anyone used Coinbase futures? I have not. I know Hoffs has. Billy said, Tyler, yeah, I got home 10 minutes ago. Digi said, I sold my XRP at all-time high, needed funds to grow bags on futures trades. Vahid said, I think Penny Guy has looked into Coinbase futures. Digi. Tyler said, that's good, Philly. Greg said, good day, JJ and crew. What's going on, Greg? Digi said, Penny Guy. What? Digi doesn't know Penny Guy? Digi said, welcome everyone, hit that like button. Oh, haha. Okay, good. He remembered. Philly said, JJ, why does it seem your hats are getting larger? Because my head is increasing in size. I do have a very large head. I'm not going to show you guys though, because I know what Philly's trying to do. Fahid said, please wear a Canadian. Canada is not for sale hat. It's in demand. That'd be hilarious. Digi said, Philly, they secretly get bigger like the Scary Movie franchise. That'd be really funny. Philly said, yes, I bought more H-bar. I was already holding about 3,000 more. Nice. Philly said, haha, Digi, he's self-conscious about his fat head. Oh, I'm not self-conscious about it. I literally grew up to my sisters calling me big head. And I was like, it's big because I have a big brain. Tyler said, did you make my sweatshirt? Tyler, I'm not making your sweatshirt until I get home, unless you want it to look like crap. Philly said, JJ, I'll send you $20 if you can say Fractal Farquad 5 times in a row without flubbing it. Fractal Farquad, Fractal Farquad, Fractal Farquad, I tried, man. I tried. Craig said, big brain. Exactly. Dude, someone's blowing up my phone. Nice. Dude, heck yeah. Look at that, I'm a genius. Just have fun said, yo, Tyler said I know, haha. Digi said failed LOL for the 20. It was worth it. It was totally worth it. Oh, man. All right. Billy said, you blew it. Tyler said, Pinlink is peeing me off. Let me verify that I'm human, and we'll go take a look at Pinlink. I can't believe Bitcoin's just casually chilling above 100K. That's so sick. Disgusting. You guys ever see that? That video? Pinlink is at $1.96. I mean, it's pretty pumped up already, man. You just gotta give it time. It'll pump again. As soon as you get sick of it, finally, like, if you come to terms with the reality that you maybe overexpose yourself, you're gonna be like, I should sell half. Execute. And then you hit the button, and then it's gonna go, bam! It's gonna, like, triple. That's exactly what's gonna happen. But I mean, it's got a solid support line at like $1, between $1.80 and $2. It will not go below that so far. There's bearish divergence, but that's not the end of the world. We've seen it before. It might not play out, or it might have played out already, for all we know. Yeah, 28%. It could have played out already. Looks okay. All right, what do we want to look at, guys? Let's see. Let's check the VeChain legacy fractal. Is it recoupling? It looks like it's recoupling. That's pretty cool. Nice little accumulation zone right here. Let's see. Can I get that into a rectangle? I think I can. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty. I like that. I like that a lot. Let's make this more transparent. I still want to be able to see it. Oh, yeah. Look at that. That looks great. Dude, if VeChain breaks above this, it's game on. It's go time. I saw George. Let me see if I can find it. George is the goofiest freaking guy, I swear. Jesus. He goes, it was one of these. He was like, VeChain, something, something. And then he just reads the title of the article and he's like, but now VeChain has a renaissance. And I was like, I was cracking up. As soon as that thing played, let me see. Dang it, I gotta find it, dude. It's gonna drive me crazy. It was freaking funny. I was cracking up last night. Because it's just like I'm scrolling through Twitter. Is this right here? Yeah. All right, ready?
And then, you know, I haven't talked about VeChain in a long time. VeChain, you know, they've been working on this better project, which is noble, is to clean up the earth, pick up garbage, get rewarded for it. But what else are they doing? Finally, they are doing a renaissance.
I was like, what the fuck? He's like, what else are they doing? And then he clicks on the article and he's like, they're doing a renaissance. Oh man, I love George. He's such a goofball. What a funny dude. I think one of my favorite quotes from George is he was like, he clicked on an article and he goes, "This guy says that Bitcoin is in an Adam Eve double bottom pattern. I've never heard of that pattern before, but I like it." And I was like, this dude who's been in Bitcoin for probably longer than anybody else in the market doesn't know what an Adam Eve double bottom is? That's like one of the most common patterns that people point out in the bear market. It was so funny, dude. Oh my gosh, I can't. It's I don't know. It's something else, man. George is something else. Shit cracks me up. All right, let me check the chat really quick. Did you said JJ looking at background music for your stream? I've thought about it. I don't know. I feel like it'll be too distracting though. All right, let me see. Tyler said this consolidating better play out massive. Greg said I'm waiting for Bitcoin to crack above and hold 103K. Once that happens, the next fib level is 110K, which would happen in short order. Let's go. Tyler said 6,000 one day is a good day. I agree. Greg said Celestia Tia looks like it's teed up for a launch. Let's check that out. Philly said I sold 60% of my XRP at $1.35 and felt the stupid FOMO and bought them all back, and then it got rejected at $1.40. Now I'm down $30 on the trade. Why the F do I FOMO? Why do I let the FOMO get to me? I don't know what to tell you. Orange Lozenge said, "Yo JJ, you found a gem." Yo JJ, have found a gem. It's a Solana Memecoin. You interested? Of course, man. Hit me with it. Billy said, "Digi, there's another YouTuber I used to listen to that leaves his channel run 24/7. I sometimes put it on for the great music." Digi said, "Philly, I've made 130 in the last 3 days on XRP. I would have made more if I wouldn't sold for profit to buy dips. If I kept the first buy, I'd be up so much more." Oh my gosh, there's a lot of stuff to catch up on. Greg said, "World George." He said, "I'm George, World George." Philly said, "Digi, I understand the FOMO, bro. It does something to our brains." Digi said, "Hell yeah, Philly, the background music helps retain viewer attention, especially if there is vocal silence." Yeah, that's my bad. I'm still in Georgia, man. Give me a break, guys. Fahid said, "Background music is definitely distracting." Zhao said, "Left H-bar, XRP, Evernote." I'm rich. Hell yeah. Digi said, "For me, it's not really FOMO. I'm just trying to build a solid bag, build up for Coinbase futures. I'm really thinking about changing my exchanges, so I have more options." Zhao said, "Haha, JK, let's effing go." Not left. Jesus effing Christ. Digi said, "Coinbase doesn't have many options for futures." Philly said, "Digi, are you USA?" Digi said, "I am Philly." Digi, we showed Tyler the other day how to use our exchanges of choice. You don't need it's non KYC, and you don't need a VPN to use BitUnix or OurBit. And eventually, if they do force KYC, they will let you know ahead of time, and you'll have time to convert your assets to whatever stablecoin and get them out. So, if you want to sign up, links in the description. I prefer, what do I prefer? BitUnix, but OurBit is also nice. They're both nice. All right, I told 2 people that I'm going to look at Celestia, and then Orange Lozenge said he had a Sol meme coin for us. Oops. There we go. Celestia. Ooh, this does look good. It's in an accumulation range and a descending broadening wedge, which is bullish. So I want to see it touch this upper trend line. If it rejects, I want to see it break through and just go crazy. This is how this pattern is supposed to work out. I believe you're supposed to get three hits to the downside, 3 hits to the upside. So we'll see what plays out. But it looks good so far. It's interesting how this is like almost the opposite. Yeah, this looks good. Let's check out the daily. So this thing had a pretty big run back in November of 2023, all the way up to February of 2024. then back down to July 2024, and then it's just been an accumulation ever since. Little fake out to the upside right here in November, December. Okay. And then it came back to accumulation in the $3 to $6 range, which is a pretty big range. That is a very large accumulation range. Could you imagine trading this? Just a couple like 50% moves every time. Every time. Imagine you long every time it got to 439 and you short every time it got to 593. You'd make 35%. And then you'd make 18%. And then you'd make 27%. And then you'd make 35%. And then you'd make 56%. Like, that would have been genius. But you don't know that the range is established until halfway through, so you probably only get half those trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think 5 good trades out of that. That's still pretty cool, though. I think once people establish, because everyone's got their own ways of doing things, once everyone establishes their own methods, then you know, people are happy. I think one of my favorite things that I see is whenever somebody's like, this is how I do it, and then other people are like, you need to do it my way, because my way is the only way and it's the best way, and if you don't do it my way, you're going to lose money and you're stupid. And then those people just get screwed because they don't know what the fuck they're doing. It's just comical, man. It is too comical. Let's see. ADA's at $1.10 right now. Wow, that's crazy. Bitcoin's at 100,416. Is it going to liquidate? Let's check the liquidation heat map. And let me check the chat. Zhao said, do you watch Eric Crown? I do not. I don't really watch a lot of people. I've randomly enjoyed Frankie Candles, and I do like Crypto Lifer. I know people crap on him, but he seems like a nice guy. And I don't know. I haven't really turned on anybody in a long time. Like a long time. I don't know why. Tyler S is probably my go-to. But as far as like crypto streamers, I don't watch a lot of people. Zhao said I'm having a hard time taking big profit right now. These are scary times. Yeah, I agree. The profit taking is the hard part for sure. Digi said I'll check them out. I'd love to be able to have more options. I'll SS the current Coinbase options for futures and post in Discord. All right, nice. Philly said, Digi, can you do Coinbase futures in the US? And Digi said, yeah, Philly, I can do Coinbase futures. Xiao said, you should be able to. I thought they just enabled them. Yeah, they did. Digi said, but it's a limited list. Philly said, no one can do futures in the USA. Limited? Ah, okay. Xiao said, do you watch Air Crown? Philly said, JJ, do you ever do trading bots? No, Philly, you've been trying to get me to do trading bots for like 6 years. I used to do trading bots back on KuCoin, and like back in the day, and they made me $0. I hate bots. Zhao said, JJ, learn PineScript with me and let's build some automated strategies. Dude, that'd be so much fun. If I have time, then I'll do that for sure. Zhao said, Eric Crown is the GOAT. All right. Billy said, Frankie Candles was my name when I was a loan shark. Did you like burn people with candle wax? Half of them are into it. You're like, this sucks. Every time I go to collect money, these guys just end up jizzing all over the place. Greg said, one of my favorite channels is Scott Carney, Harmonic Trader, solid work. I feel like the really good ones are like niche, smaller channels that like, they probably make good money because they have trading groups and stuff, but they don't blow up and sell out. And they do good work, man. They do good work. All right, we got a list of Coinbase futures options in the Discord. Oops. Let's see. We got Bitcoin, ETH, Gold, Stellar, Doge, Litecoin, Chainlink, Silver, Avalanche, Polkadot, Oil, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and SHIB. What's up with the dates? Like, do they only allow you to buy certain time frames or something? I'm confused. Oil, interesting. Why do they have to overcomplicate it? Ooh, look at that. Bitcoin's getting some liquidations. Let's go. 100,910. We're getting pumpy, man. We're getting pumpy on stream. No way. Let's see. Symbol. Go to 12 hour. Zoom, zoom, zoom. 101, 153. We did get some liquidations already. Wow. Who's getting ballsy and lowering their stop loss? That's crazy. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Are we about to get like cascading liquidations to the upside? Is this the first time Bitcoin's pumped on stream? Philly said, JJ said, I haven't turned in anyone in a long time. Signed JJ's wife. I haven't turned in anyone in a long time. What? Philly, I don't understand that. Oh, turned on. Wow, you fumbled your own joke, man. Did you said the dates are contract end times. Ew, they like force you to lock a trade? That's gross. Shit, like I said, I want to long Bitcoin. Go deposit money into a BitUnix or our Bit account. It's really fast. Greg said, is this turning into a Bitcoin breakout stream? Wow, Bitcoin pressed 101,000. Yeah, dude, it's getting exciting. Philly said, Digi, what's the max leverage they allow? Oh, God. Philly's like, do they have bots? Have you tried bots? I like trading bots. Have you guys traded bots? I like trading bots. Trading bots is cool. Do you guys know about bot trading? Joe said, I'm going to join your Discord. I have to reset my password and verify myself, though. I don't know. I think before I can join, I effed my shit up and attached my number to a different username. Not really. Dude, okay. I have problems. There's this dude named Victor who had my phone number like 15 years ago. And then 14 years ago, I bought a phone and I set up a number and I got this guy's number that he didn't have anymore. And I still, to this day, get calls for him. I would get calls from the electric company being like, your power is going to get shut off. And I'm like, what? I just paid the bill. So then I call them and I'm like, hey, you guys said my power is going to get shut off? They're like, nope. You're all caught up. And I'm like, okay, well then what's going on? And then I give them my number. They're like, Victor? I'm like, nope. That's not my name. Can you remove my number from that guy's account? They're like, no, we can't do that. I'm like, okay, cool. I'll just have a heart attack once a month when you guys are going to shut this guy's electricity off. The top 5 podcast said, let's watch XCN. Let's go check out XCN. Even though Bitcoin's getting a little pumpy, it's at 101,293. Let's go check out XCN really quick. We did look at this the other day. Oof, I clicked on the wrong chart for sure. There we go. Whoa! Oh my gosh, what is going on? I told you it was in a nice uptrend. What the F is happening? So if you would have bought this, it's up 120% right now. What is going on? Dude, is this all-time high? No, it's been higher. Okay. So it's catching up right now, though. Wow, there's some good money to be made right here. Holy crap. What in the world? Congratulations. That's pretty sick. The volume's picking up on that, too. Bitcoin's currently at 101,341, 379. Ooh, it's getting spicy. Dude, that's crazy. Yeah, that's a crazy pump. Been in since 0.0022. Dude, hell yeah. You're up over 100% right now. That's sick. Congratulations, my guy. Congratulations. Bitcoin's at 101, 550, 579. It's getting spicy. Xiao said, what do you guys think January 20th is sell the news event? I'm not sure. I feel like it's going to be a nothing burger. Everyone's calling for like a big pump or a big sell-off. It's probably going to do nothing because everyone expects some crazy volatile move to happen. I'm also seeing things that Trump is saying he wants Bitcoin to hit 150,000 before, like, early on in his presidency, which is kind of badass. Like, I've been saying it this whole time. I've said it for like 6 years now. I don't like politicians. They all suck ass. But if one of them shows up and pumps my bags, I love them. If they give me money, I love them. If they affect not one single president has ever affected my day-to-day life. Obama gave me health care and like killed terrorists, which was fucking badass. But outside of that, I don't really give a shit about him. Trump gave me money, which is sick as fuck. And Biden gave me money, which is sick as fuck. Now Trump's coming in though, and he's about to give me more money. So, I mean, I haven't gotten any money from the other people in a long time. So please give me money. I'll take all the money I can get. You know what I mean? Pump my bags, Mr. President. Thank you, sir. The top 5 podcast said fun times. I agree. JY's Adventure said alt season has begun. It has begun. I agree. Billy said Digi, yeah, Hoff's Discord, Jordan's Discord is kind of dead now. Yeah, dude, Hoff's Discord is the place to be. JY said buy it all, buy everything. Philly said JY, say it, brother. JY said make millions. Digi said JY, is that you, Hoff? No, that's not Hoff's. Hoff's is just Michael Hofferica. And he has 2 different accounts for some reason because he's a sociopath. Billy said, Jordan says if January 20th is the sell of news, it won't stay dumpy for more than a day or 2. JY said, nah, me and Hoff is different, Digi. Greg said, irony, can Bitcoin hit 120K on 120? Ooh, that would be awesome. Dude, 120 on 120, let's go. Let's see now. I'm gonna set that up. All right, let's see if it happens. Is there a space in between those? That's going to bug me. There isn't. Ah, I knew it. All right. $101,631. Dude, this is exciting stream. Let's check our liquidations because I'm sure this has changed already. All the bears are scrambling right now. They're like, what do we do? Do we long? Do we FOMO long? There's like 1 or 2 bears that are like, I've had a bag of Bitcoin this whole time. You guys are idiots. They're like starting to switch sides now. It's like, you remember the 2 pirate guys in Pirates of the Caribbean? And then the 2 guys that like worked for like the British government or whatever ships, and then they were like suddenly pirates. They were like in disguise and they were like, yar. That's what the bears are doing right now. 101,806. Dude, we're hitting these liquidation points like it's no one's business. We got 1 spicy bull right here at 104.63. Okay, let me make that the right green. That's not the right green. Get out of here. Okay. Dude, it's getting so intense. All right. Philly said, JJ, so now you like Trump? I never didn't like him. I don't give a shit about him, Philly. I don't think he's a great guy. I don't think Biden's a great guy. They're both pretty bad people. When it comes to who I would prefer to be my president, I mean, I'm not going to say I feel like that much is obvious. But I don't know. It's just politicians have become a meme at this point. All of them. JY said, JJ, can you look at Gomu, please? Yes, I can. Digi said, dude, if I bought leverage when I said I wanted at the beginning of the stream, I'd be up like crazy right now. Yeah, man, for sure. JY said, my journey has not ended here. Millions this bull run in a few months. Let's effing go. Greg said, I'm honored. JJ, a true long shot. Philly said, JY, say it again, brother. JY said, let's effing go, Philly. Millions this bull run. We got this. Philly said, yay, yay. Digi said, this pub. I just realized I'm just like this whole, my stream is just me narrating the chat. Digi said, this Bitcoin pump will retrace. I don't have enough capital to purchase a short contract. Greg said, so shorts are forced to buy or get liquidated. I buy. Philly said, Digi, don't short. Way risky AF. Yeah, dude, look at that. They're about to hit that other short. All right, let's go look at Gomu for JY's Adventure. Gomu Gator? Let's see. Let's get the RSI up here. Yep. So I see a big accumulation range right now, which is kind of what every coin has right now. I would take that all the way over. It's like right here. Where's my paintbrush? So it got a little spicy, got a little less spicy, got way spicy, broke above, support, broke into it, resistance, broke above it, resistance, and now it's trying to break it. If it breaks it, I would like to see it break, retest, hold, and continue. If it breaks and retests and then chops and then breaks back down, be careful. So yeah, get a break above the current level, because that seems to be the commonplace resistance at the moment, is like 23, 24, maybe 24. Yeah, that's what I would call it. So get a break above 24 and you'll be good to go. At the moment, it looks like it might be trying to set up some bearish div. Maybe not, though. Yeah, it looks okay. There's really no divergence anywhere, at least on the 4 hour. Let's check the daily. The daily does have divergence, though. Does it? Yes, it does. There you go. Bullish div right there. Bam. And out of that bullish div, you got a pretty decent pump. Oh, yeah. 87%. And then from here, 50%. Is this another hippo? Dude, Gomu looks like a badass. Oh, it's a gator. Oof. Oh, it is a gator. Look how chunky he is. I kind of like cute, chunky gators. That's pretty sick. I like it. Yeah, get a break above 24 and then see if it can hold. Ah, Bitcoin retraced. Damn. Ooh, Philly said JJ Biden wrecked the country. Don't make me get political. You know he hurt the U.S. I don't know if he did. I think that the U.S. was shit regardless. I think way too much money printing happened under Biden. I think that's definitely a problem. Philly said H bar. Wow, up 25% just today. JY said thanks, JJ. Of course, JY. Greg said I'm a fan of Celestia. 5 weeks ago it was 930. Today 518, so it could almost 2x in a very short order. H bar is up 7.77% at the moment. Very nice, very cool. I have a pretty decent bag of H bar that I've been accumulating, because in this range, like, everyone on Twitter is like, H bar cured cancer. H bar brought my grandma back to life. H bar solved world hunger. And I'm like, wow, H bar is really doing a lot. And it turns out they are doing a lot because number go up. And everybody knows the numbers only go up when the utility is there. All right, let me check. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining. Share the stream with your like-minded crypto friends, and happy Thursday. We try to get to 10 likes every stream. I think we're currently at 6, so go ahead and smash that like button, guys. Greg said, yeah, the Bitcoin 5-minute chart RSI was white hot overbought. Vahid said, nice pump on Bitcoin. JY said, let's effing go alt season. Philly said, I used to hold TIA. I forgot about that one. JY said, I am the ultimate DJ. No way people made millions off a dog with a hat, and I'm not going to make it. Locked in. I love it. I love the energy, JY. Keep that energy, man. Keep it. Harness it. Believe it. I believe. Cheers. The chai latte is extra delicious today. Let's see, 1.07 trillion. So just from yesterday, we're up 9.75% on total 3. If that happens again, 9.75. Let's just go 9. If it happens again, we're going to be at 1.7 trillion, which is above 1.13, which is the previous all-time high, which means alt season will begin. I'm ready. Are you guys ready? I'm so ready. I'm so ready. It's disgusting how ready I am. Let's go check on butthole. Butthole cancer? Damn. I'm pretty sure that's a real thing. I wonder if that would be a successful meme coin. This looks like a inverse head and shoulders on butthole. What is the target for butthole? Inverse head and shoulders butthole target. 7777. Dude, imagine 7777 butthole. What is my life? I love it. This is so much fun. Let's go see what else. Let's check Pythia. Let's check. Shoot, Kirby's up 11%. Dang. Space Ape. I think he was in our chat not too long ago. I wish he was still around. He was cool. It makes me sad when people show up and then disappear. Church of the Flying Spaghetti Monster, JJ Sneck is up 4.61% today. Very nice. Honda's up a little bit. Anything up in the shorter time frames? Not really. It's pretty mediocre. Interesting. Pythia. Bearish, bullish, bullish. Bullish resulted in no bullish price action. Interesting. Huh. Maybe this is the chop before the pop? I don't know. I feel like I've been a little off my game lately when it comes to my TA. It's kind of making me sad. Oh, is Bitcoin gonna hit that liquidation point? Is that the same point? Did it hit it? Yes, it did. I think it hit it already. Wow. I told you guys, man, no one is safe tonight. Not one. Did you guys smash the like button? Because I'm going to check. 102,515. Look at that. They're setting us up for higher. Oops. They are setting us up for higher. Look how nice they are. They're like listening to Creed right now. 101,922. Come on. 101,753 currently for the price of Bitcoin. Let me check the chat again. JY said, believe it like Naruto. Cheers. Vahid said, like the stream and subscribe. Guys, smash the like button. Or H-bar won't cure cancer. Do you like cancer? Then smash the damn like button. Greg said, check out total too. Since November 4th, it's up 1.3. It's up about 1.3 trillion, and Bitcoin dominance has dropped. So shit tons of money are moving into the alt space. JY said, let's even go alt season. I've waited ages. Billy said, JJ, check out DAG, sir. Greg said, indeed, show your support for JJ and team tap the like button. JY is spamming little squids, little octopi. Did you guys know that the plural for octopus is actually octopussies? It's octopuses. Octopi is a common misspelling. Did you guys know that? Some asshole decided octopuses sounded better. All right. Feeling wants to go check out DAG. Let's go take a look at DAG. DAG. Ooh, DAG's getting a little pumpy. I know this one. Constellations up 17.96%. Very nice. From the local bottom, it's up 30%. Wow. Okay. I see a double bottom here. This is some kind of a harmonic. Hoffs would be like, you have to draw the harmonic. He gave up on harmonics pretty quick, didn't he? Where's Hoffs? I can't talk shit about him when he's not here. That feels weird. Did he said, I gotta go. Everyone have a good night. Take it easy, Digi. Thanks for stopping by. Greg said, that's a James Bond movie. JOS Adventure said, I was just about to say that, Greg. I was a kid when it came out, and I was like, Octopussy? Bond? James Bond. That's pretty funny. I remember, speaking of James Bond, I remember Austin Powers Goldmember came out, and my aunt actually went to New York, and she got it bootleg like a year before it came out on VHS for rent. She got a bootleg VHS of Austin Powers Goldmember. And I remember the beginning with Danny DeVito. Me and my cousins are watching it like by ourselves in my sister's room because my sister's room had the VHS. And at the beginning, Danny DeVito's like, hey, asshole, I'm Mini-Me. Come and get me. And he starts shooting them, and we just started dying laughing. We were like 10 years old, and it was the funniest thing in the world to us. It was so freaking, because we were aware of Austin Powers and Mini-Me, and Mini-Me is not supposed to talk, and they just cold open with this at the beginning of Goldmember, and it was the funniest thing in the world, man. It was so freaking funny. Man, good time. Good times. Yeah, Fahid said Goldmember. Isn't that what I said? Greg said my favorite Bond movie is Casino Royale with Daniel Craig. I really like Daniel Craig in the Knives Out movies. But he said saw it in theaters. Dude, that movie is totally theater worthy. Goldmember? Freaking hilarious. Such a good movie. That'll be the movie of the day. It's been a while since we've had a movie of the day, so that'll be the movie of the day. Oh, shit. Okay. JY said Casino Royale was great. I don't know if is it messed up if I haven't seen any of the Daniel Craig James Bond movies. I think I saw one of them, and maybe it was Casino Royale, and I don't remember any of it. I remember the N64 game. Was it GoldenEye or Golden Gun? I don't remember. But I remember playing the N64 game. That was super fun. Multiplayer. And then I remember there was another... Let me see. On the PS2. I think. Yeah, this Everything or Nothing on the PS2. It was so good. And it's so old and probably garbage, honestly. But I remember playing it, and I remember it was so much fun. Yeah, look how bad it looks. Oh, dude, this takes me back. Such a goofy time for video games. Come on. Oh, shoot. There was another one? With Daniel Craig? That's funny. That looks just like him. All right, I'm getting distracted. I'm sorry, guys. Let's look at DAG for Philly. This thing has some overhead resistance around 6 or 7. It's like 67-ish. It could probably be, it's probably just 7. I would just go for 7. So you want to see it get above 0. So you want to see it get above 7 cents. Hold that as support and continue. Yeah, it looks good right now. You got a nice breakout, a little retrace attempt number 1, and now it's starting to parabola to the upside. Yeah, it's probably due for some decent gainage over time. Although it did the same thing in the past, only this time it didn't retrace as much. So yeah, we'll see. Let's see. Bitcoin, did they hit that liquidation point too? Nope, not yet. Philly said the old Bond films are brilliant. JY said Casino Royale was great. Philly said Greg, absolutely. JY said Daniel Craig was an awesome Bond. You have to watch them. They're good. GoldenEye was the N64. Okay, that's what I thought. Perfect Dark was awesome too. They were the best graphics at the time. Dude, I remember playing San Andreas, Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, and with my friends being like, this game is so realistic. And I cringe thinking about it now. I'm like, no, it was not at all. How is this realistic? It's so bad. And it's weird because my brain now, like, I can see a game and be like, this looks good. It's not realistic, but it looks good. I don't know why I was obsessed with it looking realistic back then, because it didn't look realistic at all. That was so weird. They were the best graphics at the time. All right. Bitcoin's at 101,522. Is there anything getting super duper pumpy? Let's see. Chili's is up 2.36%. Let's go through the charts again because it's looking good post daily close, which is weird. It's usually pretty boring. Near is up 3.14. That's Pi. Interesting. Polygonmatic Pole up 2.32. Lunk is up 2.31. Doge up 2.11. Link is up 3.47. Link is probably about to go on a tear. Avalanche is up 1.97. 2.02 actually. Avalanche is probably also about to go on a tear. For some reason, Avalanche and Link run together. I'm not sure why. Cass up 1.62%. Dot up 2.87%. Very nice. C up 1.6%. SUI up 2.3%. I'm guessing SUI is probably going to get violent as well. HBAR up 9.2%. HBAR is still going crazy. What is going on with HBAR? XRP up 1.5%. ADA, or let's see, SNEC up 0.89%. ADA up 2.19%. Others dominance up 1.12%. Total 3 up 1.72%. Ooh, Total 3 is going to make another run. Sol up 1.3%. ETH up 2.2%. And Bitcoin up 1.5%. This is a beautiful market. JY said our brains processed it because it was new. Our brains were like, oh, this real. Dude, the 90s and 2000s, early 2000s. Crazy time. The in-between generation. Greg said another crazy Daniel Craig movie is The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo. Love those movies. Saw them in theaters. Pretty fucked up. Great movie though. Philly said, I don't remember exactly, but wasn't a recent Bond film where they killed him off? I'm not sure. Spoilers, Philly, by the way. Great. I just got done saying I didn't see them. JY said Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time was my favorite game because it was so beautiful to me as a kid. It's still beautiful, man. It still holds up to this day too. I don't understand how, like, games in like the early to mid 2000s were like trash, but Ocarina of Time from like 10 years prior was amazing. There's certain things where you can tell people like pour their heart and soul into it. Like Star Wars came out in like the 70s and 80s. And then movies from the 80s to like the mid 2010s looked like trash. It's crazy. You could just tell where people put effort in and like actually apply themselves. JY said, when you look at it now, I was like, what was I thinking? Oh no, dude, I love Ocarina of Time. It's such a sick game. I know it doesn't look great, but it's still an amazing game. It doesn't need to look great. Kids nowadays are playing Roblox, man. Like, if you showed them Zelda, they would freak out. It does look like blocks. It's triangles. It's a lot of triangles. I actually do 3D rendering for a living, so have you played Breath of the Wild yet? Oh, it's so good, dude. It's so good. Philly said H-bar is up 25% in the past 24 hours. Yeah, H-bar is going crazy, man. It's up 9% just since the daily close. Going absolutely crazy. They're conducting a mainnet upgrade yesterday? Really? I did not know that. So they upgraded the mainnet and then it just was just a launch pad. Dude, hell yeah. €41, 0.41 euros. All right, like, come on. Can I do H bar with the price of H bar at all time high? Oh. Okay, let me pick something else then. So H bar at all time high was 15. Is it at all time high right now? 15.01. No way. Is H bar at all time high? It's never been higher than this. What? Yes, it has. What are you talking about? Internet, get out of here. Oh, that's my line. Okay, so current all-time high for H bar, according to Binance, which goes back to 2019, is 57 cents. 0.576. Okay, that's what we're looking for, man. That's my target. Which would be, man, 43% just this week alone. Wow, that's crazy. Another 44% will get us to previous all-time high. H-bar's getting spicy. Dude, I'm kind of concerned that SUI is not going to perform that well anymore because they're going to tax it. Because it's not based in the US. That's funny. JY said Wind Waker held up much better because of art style. Breath of the Wild is great. Dude, I love Breath of the Wild. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I haven't played the new one yet. Greg said H-bar on Coinbase is all-time high, but I don't know what X has the oldest chart. Tyler said, is JJ muted? No, I better not be. That would be embarrassing. Man, look at that. H-bar is up double-digit gains right now. Everything else is just chilling. Wow. Why is this thing going crazy right now? I gotta see if there's any news. Hedera Hashgraph gains momentum. Latest H-bar news. Hedera price could soar as H-bar forms a bullish pattern. And Hedera consolidating at key resistance. Market awaits next move. Hedera's upcoming mainnet upgrade propels spot inflows to 27-day high. This deal could mark a new era for the $100 billion. Oh yeah, they did a diamond thing. Is that what it is? They're like tokenizing some. Oh, F you. They've tokenized some huge diamond producer in the United States. Here we go. Hedera gains momentum. Latest H-bar news and H-bar price prediction. Hedera Hashgraph, I hate the name, is surging in adoption as its groundbreaking technology powers enterprise solutions globally. Analysts seem to be optimistic as some project H-bar's price could surge multiple times by 2025. By 2025, when is this from? January 26, 2020. Who wrote this? Boosted by major partnerships, eco-friendly consensus, and growing traction in DeFi and tokenization markets. Meanwhile, Pluto Chain, what is Pluto Chain? Emerges as a potentially significant player in introducing a hybrid layer 2 solution for Bitcoin. What is HBAR's ceiling in 2025? They're looking for $1.20. Oh my gosh, could you imagine $1.20 HBAR? No way. Is that too much? I feel like that's insane. $200% from where it's at. That's a 2x. That's okay. I mean, that'd be pretty sick. I'd be happy with that. Upcoming integration of Hedera's innovations into DeFi and tokenization markets could prove game-changing, attracting institutions. So I think that the tax-free part and the everything that they're actually doing part is going to be a big deal because it's like new. It's like the new kid on the block, essentially. Greg said they were touted as tokenizing a real estate fund from BlackRock several months ago. That was actually incorrect. They like took information from BlackRock and tokenized it, or somebody else. It was like some third party situation was involved. BlackRock kind of like came out and said this is not true, and then HBAR got mad at like Cardano because people on Cardano were like, this isn't the way that this went down, because they were like, BlackRock is working with HBAR, and that's not the way that it happened. And then everybody got really pissed off. It was really funny. I remember when all that went down. Like, it wasn't entirely untrue, but the way that they presented it was like, BlackRock is choosing Hedera Hashgraph for this specific thing. And that's like not what happened at all. It's like Hedera like voluntarily did something with information that BlackRock provided or something like that. It was really goofy. Tyler said, my sound is up. What the F? There we go. I got off and back on. Yo, what's been running? I'm up another $1,700. Let's go. HBAR cured cancer while on the moon? Exactly. What happened? I missed the news. There is no news. I got 45,900 HBAR at 0.05 still holding. One of my biggest holdings. Hell yeah. That's awesome, Tyler. Congratulations. JY said he's not muted, Tyler. Thank God. Greg. Yeah. Yeah, that's awesome. I don't know why it's going crazy, though. I really don't. One sec, guys. $39,885. Yeah, this thing's going nuts. Like, I knew it was going to go crazy once it broke out of this range, but I mean, I guess I was expecting some kind of structure. Like a little breakout retrace, some kind of sideways, something. You know what I mean? It's just going up only right now. Up only mode has engaged. Bitcoin's up 1.84%. It's hit that liquidation point. Ooh, 101,940. ETH is up 2. Even ETH is getting a little pumpy. That doesn't happen. Sol's getting a little bit laggy. I guess Sol did break its previous all-time high, so I guess it's everybody else's turn. Maybe that was like the first early warning sign of alt season. That was everyone's key to like as soon as Sol broke previous all-time high, everyone should have went all in. Second mortgage on the home, get a predatory loan on your vehicle. All right. Let's see. Greg said, Tyler, just advice, don't brag about your holdings on YouTube or anywhere else. Billy said, Tyler, OMG, dude. Yeah, honestly, that is probably for the best. Tyler said, yeah, but HBAR's high 2 months ago was 39, so it really hasn't done anything yet. It's just caught back up. Where's HBAR again? 39? Yeah, you're not wrong. You are not wrong.
57.6 is the current all-time high. So we're waiting for that. Analysts are calling for $1.20, I guess, which is pretty spicy. That would be, what did we determine, a 2x from here? Yeah. Yep. Come on, SUI. I'm waiting for SUI to do it. It's going to do its thing, and it's going to be so mean and angry. I think as soon as it gets above 515, it's going to be nuts. Total 3 is just making new local highs every 5 minutes. Man, as soon as this thing breaks above this orange line, it's game on. Everything's getting crazy. I'm excited. I'm probably going to miss it too. I'm going to be working tomorrow, and this is going to go nuts, and then I'm going to get home, and everything's going to go like bam, and then it's going to just chill, and everyone's going to be like, oh man, and then I'm going to get home, and I'm going to stream, and everyone's going to be like, yeah man, it was cool, but we're tired. Come on. Oh, Hoff's made an appearance. Weird. Michael Hoffrika said 102K. Greg said Bitcoin to crack 102K. Let's effing go. Tyler said I got security on my shit for the the Fort Knox. Hoff said H-bar arrow. Let's effing go. Nobody likes arrow. Tyler said that would be H-bar at top 10, right? What would be? $1.20? Probably. Let's actually see. Tron. Just for the record, this wand chain is always in the top 10 compares. Always. It's been there for like 10 years. I feel bad because where are they? Those poor people have been looking for that for forever. All right, top 10 H-bar would be 54 cents, which would be 57 would for sure be top 10. $1.38x. Very nice, very cool. Hell yeah. Man, Bitcoin is just hitting liquidation points left and right. It's crazy. Oh my gosh, look at all of that liquidity is gone. Right there. Bam, they just liquidated the fuck out of all of those people. 102, 202. And then 102, 459. Yeah. Man. This blue line is our upper resistance-ish area, which is at 104, 219. Man, 2% on Bitcoin in one candle lately. I guess it's been quite a frequent occurrence. I was going to say it's kind of rare, but it's not. Tyler said, oh, Hoff said Trump pump. Tyler said like Fort Knox, LOL. Hoff said arrow going up like an arrow. Nobody shoots an arrow up, Hoff's. Poor guy doesn't know. He's Florida. Tyler said that would be $1.20. Be then, LMAO. Number 5. JY said the XRP bros got the win they deserve. Actually happy for them, right? Dude, I feel like everyone crapped on them for the longest time. The only person I don't think deserves the hype, the credit right now is BitBoy. Because he literally cheated on his wife and abandoned his family for drugs and a crack. Zero respect for that guy. Cheers to family, to loyalty, to not cheating on your wife, the mother of your children. All right. Looks like Bitcoin might be taking a little chill pill for a moment. Good, good, good. H-bar is taking a little chill pill for a moment. I think everything's going to start to take a little breather. It's all good. Hoff said XRP pump middle finger to Gary. I think it's a middle finger to everyone because everyone was like, XRP, you're stupid. Your number never go up. And now those people will look like fucking assholes, which is hilarious. The most hated coins are the ones that are going to pump the most. And I'm overexposed to Cardano. So I'm pretty excited about it. Tyler said, I've been XRP Army since 2020, LOL. JY said, BitBoy is a rock star. They do stuff like that all the time. I don't think they do. But BitBoy's an idiot. Did you see my favorite video is the one of the doorbell cam from Carlos's house where he like goes up and he rings the doorbell and he stands there for a minute and then he runs away? Oh, that shit cracks me up. Tyler said I pretty much wanted to kill myself every year. Jesus Christ, Tyler. I could see that though. Where is it? Wasn't your mom calling for a dumpy dump on XRP? Because that's what it's done in the past. Every time it's gotten a little pumpy, it got a little dumpy. Look, pump, dump. I guess just be careful. But I think you're past that point already. It should have went this way, and it's going that way now. That's kind of weird. That's like the opposite direction. Shouldn't it be going down? It looks like it's not going down. That doesn't look like down to me. That's so strange. It's kind of weird how that works. When number go up, chart green? Huh. That's impossible. Bitcoin dominance at 57.63. Looking for a rejection off of 57.68. Get some moonage for the alts. I really want to see $1.14 trillion alts. Or total 3. H-bar is really stealing the show today. It was XRP yesterday. Today it's H-bar. Tomorrow it's probably going to be SUI. Next day it's going to be Link and then Avalanche and then Doge. That's my guess. Let's see. Link. Nope, I said SUI, Link, Avalanche, Doge. So the 20th. I'm guessing Avalanche on the 19th. SUI, Link, Avalanche, Doge. Let's see. This is giving me my guesses. I'm totally just spitballing this out there. So if this doesn't happen, don't sue me. But if it does happen, I'm going to take full credit and claim that I'm a genius. Bam. Hold on. Guys, don't read this yet. Okay, now you can read it. Those are my guesses for the next 4 days. Hoff said Chili's the next XRP depression zone for me. I'm not selling it. I don't care if it goes to 1 cent. I don't think it's going. I think it's just going to take a minute. Everything else is pumping right now. Billy said, wait, BitBoy abandoned his family for drugs? Not even good drugs either. He's doing like he's just abusing prescription drugs. And it's like not even good prescription drugs. He's like, dude, you got any more of that Ozempic? Tyler said, when you have so much belief in a coin and it does XRP, nothing but depression. Yeah, I know how you feel. Tyler said, do you remember AMP? I do remember AMP. Philly said, Hoff, stop it. Everyone knows you're trolling now. AMP, let's go check out AMP. A little throwback. Blast from the past. AMP is getting a little pumpy. We've looked at this. It had 69.20 resistance, broke through that, broke through 77.25, and broke through, or trying to break through 81.65 at the moment. Isn't that weird how there's confluence at every single line that I draw? It's kind of like technical analysis isn't a meme. So you had your little accumulation. It broke out, retested, and continued. Very nice. Got a little resistance at that 81.65. Rode 77.25 as support. Used that as a base pad to get up to 14. Retraced back down. Couldn't hold 81.65. Couldn't hold 77.25. Held 69.20 for a minute. Broke below it. Got back above it. And is now trying to break above everything. AMP actually looks relatively decent. Why was this the golden child? Power up your plan. Their house is going to be like, I told you to pay for premium. Because God forbid you switch to one day and just scroll out a little bit more. Look at that. Now I can see the whole chart. No trading view premium required. God, did AMP launch like this? Did it just launch and rug? Okay, good. It did. It totally did. Who bought this? This is depressing, man. I don't even want to look at it. It looks good on the 4-hour on Binance, though. I'm poised for some upside, but if you bought when it launched, you're probably screwed. That sucks. All right, Bitcoin's getting a little breather again. Let's see if we can get some lower blood pressure here. Yeah, Huff, I think you're fine. Chili's is literally, it's sports, man. There's money in sports. Right now, people are looking at all the Trump stuff. When people start talking about sports and everyone's like, hey, this token has been doing sports for like 5 years. Everyone's going to be like, whoa, we should have bought that. You're lucky. Because it's going to go up 100x. Not financial advice. If it rugs, it's not my fault. I don't think it will, though. I feel like this is a decent play. I haven't seen any other. I literally have not seen a single other sports thing for crypto. Not one. And you think that they would get into it because sports betting is illegal and crypto is like the new stock market gambling thing. It's kind of like a combination of the two. Some people like stocks, some people like gambling. Both of those people like crypto. So you combine that with sports, you're probably gonna have something there. Not financial advice though. Just a little bit of hopium for you, a little bit of copium. JY said, nah, look at it on Deck Screener. AMP on Deck Screener has a better chart. I guess they moved all the liquidity to sexes though. Whoa, my camera's freaking out. What is going on? All right, I think that's a sign. It's 9:30 p.m. I've been going for an hour and 20 minutes. Let's see, did we get to our 10 like goal? Yes, we did. Sweet. All right, guys, with the camera freaking out, I'm probably gonna call it. So, as always, Bitcoin starts to do anything crazy, I will hop back on. Otherwise, I will see you all tomorrow. Happy Thursday. Thank you guys for joining me, and good night.